Nonacne is a game-changer for anyone struggling with acne. This dietary supplement tackles breakouts from the inside out, unlike those topical treatments that only mask the problem. Its dual-action formula not only helps clear up existing acne but also works to prevent future flare-ups. What's in it? Well, red clover is a superstar for balancing hormones and reducing sebum production. Sarsaparilla brings its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory magic to the table, while grapeseed extract acts as a powerful antioxidant to protect your skin. Nettle leaf helps with regeneration, and let's not forget the dynamic duo of zinc and vitamin C for overall skin health. And the best part? Nonacne is marketed as a safe, natural option with no side effects, making it suitable for all types of acne, whether hormonal or inflammatory. Plus, there are real testimonials from people who swear by it. If you're looking to give your skin the love it deserves, Nonacne might just be the solution you've been waiting for.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about how this product can help you, find the official website link in the description.